Amalgamated Appliance manufactures, imports and distributes small domestic appliances. It has a market cap of 537 million rand, a price earnings ratio of 5 and a dividend yield of 6%. It owns brands like Has, Russell and Hobbs, Sultan, Tedelex and George Foreman. You're going to have to tell us a little bit more about AMAPS. I don't think there are many people out there who really have a good handle on the company.
A well-established player in that space. So some of the retailers like, Macro might, for example, source directly from China, but lots of them source through guys like this who have production facilities a little bit here, but mostly in Asia, and they've got these brands, Hoover and Has and all the other ones you mentioned. So well positioned, a little bit sensitive to the rand. And the other interesting thing to note about AMAPS is it's about 30% held by the Bidvest group. So it was one of those assets that was sort of floating around, and Brian Joffe took a big bite out of them. Well,
if Brian Joffe takes a big bite out of you, shouldn't you really take notice?
Look, I think it's nice, but like its sibling in their New World, I think they may be vulnerable to what may happen with Walmart. Now, I think when Walmart really starts to flex its huge muscle, being able to import directly from the Far East, they may, and I'm just saying may, I don't know what's going to happen ultimately, but they may decide to bypass the distributor when it comes to getting their goods onto the shelves here.
Do you think that Chris is perhaps underestimating the Brian Joffe effect?
Look, it was very depressed and nobody was paying it any attention. Now it's kind of done okay. The market seems to be improving. It won a legal dispute around Tedelex or the brand. They got a 20 million rand windfall. So people have been liking it. The share price has gone up quite sharply. I'm not sure.
Up and down.
Yeah, I don't know. Maybe they paid out some kind of a distribution there or something. But yeah, I don't know. For me, a little bit small. The liquidity is not that hot. But I think it is noteworthy that there's that corporate predator behind in the background.
Chris, hot or not on AMAPS?
Can't get hot on them, unfortunately not. I think it's too cyclical, too volatile a stock.
Not hot.
Not hot.